Alright guys, check this out. We're gonna do a quick review of this German Lay's. This was at a store, and it was really neat. Now, I googled the ingredients. It does contain milk, so I'm actually not gonna eat this. I'll just have like one chip to taste it. But here's the ingredients. But it's all in German, so which is really cool. But it's a KFC flavor, and then there was this one there as well. This is a fried chicken, crispy fried chicken. This also has milk in it. I had to Google the ingredients in different languages to find out. And this one here, this ribeye one, also has milk in it. I had to Google the ingredients as it's all in Chinese. So, but yeah, just if you guys were wondering. So first things first, let's do a quick taste test of the KFC. Okay, so I have this one open, and then, smell-wise, it doesn't smell like KFC to me. It doesn't have the, like the 11 herbs and spices. You know when you walk across the street and the smell of KFC comes through just in the air? It does not smell like that. Just smells like chips. So, alright, let's try it out. Okay, so it tastes like black pepper with mild chicken bouillon flavored. So it's not really a strong KFC flavor whatsoever. Yeah, all right, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll review the next one in another video. Stay tuned.